Greens family, we're live on Revolutionary Cam in Ghana with Bomani, and I have my sister here. She is looking to, she had an accident a while ago, and she's looking to fix her accident. I'm not sure what happened. What happened to your umbrella?
This is, well, I brought this from America because I figured there's so much sun, and just for a little shade.
Just doing a Mary Poppins
straight
thing.
away, you know, it is just falling apart. So I'm going to suggest that you prepare for mishaps along the way, and so now I'm just hoping that.
Would you like me to bury this umbrella for you?
No. I've been asked to bury the umbrella a few times, and I refuse. I'm going to be the intrepid warrior with this umbrella. Because it's not as if there's any more that I can purchase, right?
Nature did this to you. Nature's like, I'm so beautiful and bright. Let me hit you with my sun tonight. And you're like, let me block you out my radius lights.
Well, it's very warm here.
And then something happened, and then next thing you know, you're...
Well, it's just going to be one thing. Me and the sun are going to have to work out. But that's it. That's our update.
Alright family, let me take you to a journey into Russell Top participants that are waiting on our ride to Fianca. Let's see how they're feeling for the day. Yes, righteous, get here. Make sure you get some light in. Alright, we have our forever smiling Kathleen. Why are you so happy?
I'm so happy because I'm getting ready to go to Bianca, the land of the home and the brave and the free. You can live there, you can own land there, you can do all kinds of things and build a beautiful place for a fraction, well, almost a fraction of a cost of what you can in America. I can't wait to see the homes, I can't wait to see the people, and I can't wait to see what repatriates are doing here in Bianca, Ghana. All right. All right.
You can tell she's excited. She's excited. All right.
Yes, I am excited.
Now, how do you know so much about Fianca?
Because I can read what you write.
Oh, excellent.
No, but I know about Fianca because we had a meeting with a lot of repatriates here in the country, and they told me so many things, so much information. They told the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful about doing investments here. There are so many things that you can invest in, from tilapia to moringa to just doing things that people need here that repatriate from other countries. I can't wait to meet them and see what they're doing, see what their homes are like, and just go. I'm sure for the price I pay for my home, I can come here and buy 10. Can't wait to sell my house.
All right, excellent, excellent. Let me see what we have another happy face right here. Who's in camera? Oh, you camera shy. Yeah. And we have Charlotte. She like this shit like sneaking out little by little.
But it's okay,
now I
Charlotte.
can't even sneak out.
No.
You know, and first I just gotta say thank you.
Oh, you're
because
welcome.
the fact that somebody can even put this together and picking up of everybody else and say, you know, I'm gonna bring you back. I learned something. I'm gonna share. This is just amazing. I mean, just the love and everything is here. The power of what we feel from the ancestors and stuff we don't feel in the States. And people, everybody, any African American really come here because you get to love yourself, the person who you really are, instead of trying to like the person that the Europeans want you to be. This is just a wonderful, wonderful journey. And Bomani, our little brother, we thank you so much.
I appreciate you, my sister. Well, you take care of me. We'll see you on the bus ride and we'll link up and we'll catch up on another journey on Bianca.
Okay.
Yes, family. What she say is amazing. We're looking at an incredible journey here in Ghana, and you get a chance to get around and get connected into the roots, the culture, business, investment, nightlife, shopping network. You get a spectrum of things that you're going to be able to enjoy and connect into. So, family, we look forward to seeing you on another one of our journey of a lifetime every October. Next month, October 2014 and 2015. Alright family, we take care. This is your brother Bomani signing off, and we'll connect with you next time.